Hey y'all, it's Cherokeequest here. Yep, I did it again. I forgot my intro. Yeah, you know me, but yeah, I'm gonna do better. I'm working on it, and my apologies for taking so long to put up another video. I have more to come. This one is definitely worth watching. In this video, I'm gonna show you how I repair my damaged hair using cheaper products. These are the products that I use. So remember, what works for me or someone else may not work for you. But if you're on a budget and you want to try new products to help repair your hair and you don't want to spend a ton of money trying products, then these will be a good start if you wanted to try them. To like this video, comment, and even subscribe if you want to. I want you to. So subscribe. I'm smiling right now. Yep. Because I have more videos to come. Thank you for waiting. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your patience with me. I'm sending good vibes out there. Send them back. I hope you enjoyed the video. Alright, so this is Cantu. I'm going to show y'all how I repair my damaged hair. Cheaper products, Walmart. So I'm just going to get in a middle part because it's easier for me to do it if it's a middle part. I got gel in my hair, so it's like really sticky. The damaged part of my hair is in the middle, so that's like where the main focus is going to be, in the middle of my hair. And I use a lot of products. That's probably why I use the cheaper ones all the time, but they work. I use a lot at one time. So I'm always buying. This is Cantu. I'm just gonna work it in on my roots. I don't really focus on my ends because a lot of buildup isn't usually on my ends. So I always just focus on my roots, and then it'll work its way down. I don't comb my hair out when it's got, and then when it has like co-wash or even shampoo in it, I wait till I put the conditioner in because my hair is like too thick. Get this lather, this nice lather. Alright, so pretty clean, I guess, whatever. And I'm gonna rest this. I don't have much time. This is Garnier Fructis Damage Eraser. This is pretty cheap. Walmart, Target. It's not a lot of money at all. And I got this big old container for pretty cheap, like $5 at the most. Again, I'm gonna make sure I got a little part in the middle. This is again the damaged part, and I'm trying to erase the damaged part of my hair. These little clips that I'm gonna put in my hair. The camera's following me, so yeah. So I have to do my hair in sections because it's pretty like. I still got a little bit co-wash over. Because it's pretty like unmanageable, unruly. So I'm gonna just section it off. Alright. So I got the conditioner. I'm gonna put this on in. I'm gonna put a lot, and yeah, it's gonna come out, but I'm washing my hair, so I'm going to put a lot. It's never this hard to wash my hair, y'all. It really ain't. Trust me when I tell you. But I'm gonna put this section up because I'm done with this shit stuff. That on that big back middle. I didn't pay a whole bunch of money for a little expensive brush. I just thought this is what I got. I probably got it from Walmart or Dollar Tree, one of them. It worked. I mean, it's a brush. You see that? It's nice. damage eraser. I get the big bottle. I got the big pump, but that one's it's huge, and I ain't really have nowhere to put it. So I ain't bring the big pump in the shower, but I do have the big bottle. They come in a smaller bottle than this and a bigger one. But I go through shampoo. I mean, not shampoo. I go through this conditioner so fast. I get the big ones. I'm just twisting it up so it don't get tangled again. And I'm just gonna clip it up somehow. Get this big back again. I'm not gonna let this sit because I'm gonna put deep conditioner in it, and it might be like, why you putting conditioner in and deep conditioner when it's almost like the same thing? Well, because I only have a little bit of deep conditioner right now, and I'm too lazy to go to the store to get more. Well, actually, I was too lazy to even order some online because I don't even think they carry this one in the store anymore. I'll show it to you. It's this one, Garnier Fructis strength butter. I don't even think they carry that in Walmart anymore. They used to, but I can't find it. So I'm just gonna work it on due before I wash this joint out. Get that middle. So that's the damage part, is the middle. So I'm gonna just wash this out here. I'm gonna comb it too so it can stay nice. Oh, making a mess, y'all. So I just been relaxing before I go back to work. I've been on a little vacation. The strength butter. Dang, I only got a little bit in here. I'm gonna need all of this. Use this top. Cause I need that. I need all of that. Wipe it clean. So, just get in the middle. But that's the most important part before I run out. I takes it on like, I'm not gonna say that because a lot of people might not like me if I say that. But I don't really care. Because I ain't straight at all. I'm gonna cake it on. Dang, I got to hurry up. Because this water gonna be freezing. This memory card is like a lot. It's like a 120, I think. So I can go. I can talk to y'all all day long. Have y'all on here. Make sure I get that. And what I'm gonna do is something. I'm wasting it. I need that. I'm gonna twist this. Because I'm gonna let it sit for about 4 or 5 hours. Really is moisturizing also. So I guess we'll see the progress. I'm gonna section this off and then do the back first because I don't have a lot left. And comb this out. Make sure I don't get no water on it because I don't need no more water. I don't have the hair. I meant the hair. I don't have the water on my hair right now. Alright. I left the shower on because I don't want to get cold. And I put my little shower cap on. And some people say you're supposed to sit under the dryer, put a little bit of heat on it. Whatever. I'm just going to go clean. I'm probably, yeah. I'm just going to take all this off of me. Then I'm going to go clean and then come back and wash it out. Alright, so I'm back. I'm gonna undo this. I had it in for 3 hours. Usually I do about 4 or 5, but 3 is good enough. So I'm just gonna undo. A lot of my hair didn't come out either. I'll show you. This is all that came out. Not much. This is good. All done.